All right, so we have tracked daily attendance, we have added educators to the teacher surveys tab in Cityspan, and we have assigned students to the teachers. So now we're going to go into the fourth step of the SAYO T administration process, which is actually to send the surveys to the teachers. If you are interested in watching or need to watch the videos for the previous steps, they are available in the as links in the description box below. All right, so sending surveys to teachers is actually an incredibly simple process. So we're in the summer 2017 SAYO T round in the teacher surveys tab in Cityspan, and we've assigned the students and everything. To send the request to complete surveys to your site's educators, all you have to do is check next to their name in this kind of status progress table here. So once you've checked off next to their name, click on this Send Request to Selected Teachers button. What comes up next is a kind of module, I guess you could say, that is the automated emailer in the teacher surveys tab in Cityspan. So we've checked off Kelsey Cowan here, of course. There's a automated subject line here and an automated email text. You should try to avoid as much as possible taking anything out of this email text, but should definitely feel free to add any additional information that you think would be helpful, including any of your own program's timelines, so dates that you think would be helpful to add to this email text to let teachers know when they should fill it out by. Any other sort of resources that you want to give to teachers can be put in here as well. But we definitely recommend that you keep everything that is in here in here. So you can review this at your leisure. You don't have to change anything, so you don't have to enter the teacher's name here. You don't have to input a survey link. You can just add any text you think is helpful. Don't change anything else, and then you can just click the Send Survey Request button. All right, so now, as you can see in this kind of status table, Kelsey Cowan's status went from need to send requests to waiting for responses. Let's see what the email looks like from her end. So this is the email that we just sent to Kelsey Cowan. As you can see, it comes from an administrator email, do not reply at Cityspan. So we definitely recommend that you send teachers a quick email before you send these emails out through Cityspan, just warning them that they will receive an email that looks like this from administrator at Cityspan, and that it's totally a safe email and that they should definitely expect it, and feel free to click any of the links in it, otherwise they won't be able to complete the SAYO T. So as I said, we didn't have to change anything in the text, so I didn't touch anything in that email text, but as you can see, the name was filled in, as well as an appropriate link to the surveys. And so teachers, without any login information or anything like that to get into Cityspan, just click on the link that's within their email. And this is what they'll come to, is a nice, beautiful list of the survey round, as well as the student that has been assigned to them, and some status updates as well. So yeah, that's the full step-by-step process of sending surveys out to educators using the Teacher Surveys tab in Cityspan. If you have any questions or need any additional resources, please check out the Insight Center at insight.bostonbeyond.org.